Hi everyone. It's hard to believe we're already starting our third and final workshop for the Quality Scorecard Mastery Series, but it actually begins today. I hope you were able to take the time during the reflection time, albeit brief, and begin work on your project. I've provided more content resources for you in this workshop, after going through the resources provided, you will need to do two things. You're going to need to discuss what is the most pressing area of your online education program that needs improving. That's going to be in the discussion forum, so we'll all be talking together. Be specific, explain the context, and provide any thoughts on how you can make improvements, and then give feedback to your colleagues. In addition, you have your capstone project due at the end of this Mastery Series workshop. Remember, you will develop an improvement plan for an area needing improvement or an outline of improvement based upon your quality scorecard evaluation results for a program that you are familiar with. Either choose one quality category area or an indicator that needs improving and provide a comprehensive improvement plan based upon your quality scorecard cycle of change, or develop an outline that addresses all areas in need of improvement as a result of your quality scorecard evaluation, including measurement at the end to determine success. The outline of improvement will be based upon your results of the scorecard. So you're going to create general improvement recommendations in your context for those that you score a 1 or a 0. This is probably the best part of the series, where we actually begin to see the product of all of your research. At least this is my favorite part. I look forward to talking with you throughout the week.